Hey.
What are you doing, Quinn? Hey, you're like a little fish. Hey.
Look at that little butt. She's definitely got the sharp butt, yeah?
Yeah.
Blow bubbles.
She's gonna do the whip kick.
Blow bubbles. Can you blow bubbles?
You got a nice bodacious booty, Quinn.
Hey, your daddy's gonna see a big change.
Yeah.
Yeah. He thought it was bad the last time you went home.
No baby bottle, no baby bathtub.
Blow bubbles.
She's gonna laugh. She's gonna be a water baby.
I'll have to put her in our
You never
bathtub.
put her in your tub at home?
No.
No? Hey.
I'm gonna have to put her in ours. It's huge.
Oh yeah? Woo.
What about her own?
Probably a little bit, well, maybe about the same size as yours.
Blow bubbles.
And she knows enough to keep her head up.
Blow bubbles.
Don't you? Oh, now she's getting up on her knees. Look at that. Where are you going?
Blow bubbles.
She's gonna fart.
Blow.
Whoop.
Such a big girl. Yes, you are. Yeah.
She's Miss June Centerfold.
Hey.
Hey?
Oh, she likes
Miss
that.
June Centerfold.
Why you want to wear her out? That's what I used to do with you, Heather.
What, throw me in the tub?
Throw you in the bathtub. Then I burn your engine.
Back and forth. That's what I said to Allison. You would think this would tire her, but she's like full of beans.
Well, she'll crash probably after, right?
Yeah, you think?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I think she's up for a while.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You're like a little fish. You're like a little fish. Yeah. You like that? Hey, you go splash.
We're going backwards.
You go splash. Yeah, splash. Yeah. Whose idea was to set her free?
I said I figured I'd give her another go at it when
Oh.
Mommy wasn't here. Mommy wasn't here to panic.
Yeah.
We need a bigger tub.
You're
Pay
silly.
attention to what you're doing.
Oh. Breaststroke.
Ouch. Careful.
Showing off now. Yeah, exactly. She knows.
It's almost like the bottom half of her is a different color than the top half.
Okay.
It's like she's wearing a pink suit.
Make the world go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo, woo. Here comes the boat. Woo, woo.
Where's your toys?
Just those things here. Woo, woo. We took them out because we figured this way she just amuses herself. Ah. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Woo, woo. Show off.
Blow bubbles. Blow bubbles.
What are you doing? You
Hey,
gotta
is that
push
so
yourself
good?
off the end.
What's that, Heather?
Get her feet against the other.
We don't need to start teaching her how to do a front glide yet. Hey, Quinn.
Give her her whale.
Doesn't like throw one of those blocks or anything.
She likes to drink from me.
Put your head up.
have a drink? Why? You go. Hey.
I got it.
Thank you.
You have to learn how to sit up. That's the next thing.
You're concentrating on this and you're not concentrating on keeping your head up. Keep your head up.
She doesn't need the toys. Whoa. Need a longer
I have
tub.
to get her in swim lessons.
Well,
Granny went. She's gone.
ha! You little show off. You're a little show off.
Splashing.
Need a flutterboard. Kick.
Good girl.
You think she could float if she was in deep water? She was not about to, yeah.
Oh, not now? No? No? She would sink?
No, she would go, her head would go under. She would
Oh.
go her head
Whoops.
Whoop.
Whoops.
Can't go that way.
up. Austin Powers.
Turn around.
Turn around.
All done?
Maybe you're looking around. Remember this thing? What was this thing?
Remember, I wouldn't even get my shoes off and the tub would be running when we would come down to visit you?
Yeah. God, you would stay in the bathroom forever.
Because Mom only ever let me have this much water in our tub at home.
Yeah.
At your place, because it was free. I could fill it up to the
Fill it
top.
right to the top.
You always used to have little packages of pho for me.
Should we let the water go?